Hello, today I want to share with you this bore sight kit, but first I want to give a shout out to the brand who sent it to me in exchange for sharing it with you. So this is ideally used for target practice, if you will, or not necessarily target practice, but sighting in your guns. And with this kit, you have 64 different calibers from very, very small all the way to very big. My husband actually was showing me this the other night. We were having a lot of fun looking out into our pasture and pointing the laser at different things and sighting it in. So essentially what you do is you get this piece right here, and it is something that you will want to make sure it's charged. It has a spot right here to charge it with, and this kit also comes with a cord to charge with. You have a regular USB end, and then the other one is a USB-C. The USB-C is what you would plug into here, and then you'll need some sort of USB box or something to plug this into in order to charge. And then whichever caliber you're using, you're gonna screw it in here at the bottom. I'm just gonna pick, I just have this 57 right here, is just what I picked up. If you look at it closely, you have this flat end and you actually have a little bit of a screw with the coil on it, and then the other end is the screw head. And you're just gonna screw it in the tip of this thing. I'm just finger tightening it, but if you need to, which you probably will, you also have a screwdriver that you can use. Phillips head, just like what's on the end of all of these calibers. You use that to tighten it in place. And then whenever you are ready, you will just slide this in down into the barrel and press this button right here, and a laser is gonna come on. So basically, this is going to show you exactly where your barrel is pointing, right? And then ideally you'll have a scope on top of your gun. You look in the scope, line up the crosshairs with the laser to figure out if it's sighted in, and do what you need to do, the adjustments that you need to do to make sure that your scope and your gun are synced together. And to get into the fine nitty-gritty of what all this bore sight kit does, includes, and all the things, it comes with this handy instruction manual and chart to help you use this kit correctly. So honestly, I think this is a really neat, really sweet item to have if you're trying to conserve on spending a lot of money on a lot of bullets and stuff. When you are sighting in your gun, you don't necessarily always have to use the bullets to sight it in, depending on what type of gun it is, right? And so having something like this on hand definitely cuts down the cost of spending a lot of money on bullets when you can just use this. So I would definitely say 10 out of 10, I highly recommend. Real quick, before you go, if you have watched this video and decided that this product is a good fit for what you're looking for, be sure to check the description below and you will find a link that will direct you straight to the product. All right, bye.